Yeah, saw the work. So what I say, yeah man, as you can see me have some board here, you know. You want to see me have some nail in a pan, yeah? I don't know. One of the bench is almost finished. 10, 11, 12. Yes I. See there? When me the work, you know, me just search the whole place because I have to find fruit. Cut this one here. Beautiful, don't it? Soon as this sketch couple of months time, I can cut it off here. Stick around, stick and stay, and you will see what's going on. At the stand them enough, it tray in the nursery. As you can see, whole heap of dust. Yeah. Saw the work. So what I say, yeah man, as you can see me have some board here, you know, cutting up and thing. You don't know what it's all about. Kind of line out one side already, yeah? Put on the foot them, kind of turn upside down still. But you don't know it's all about country with you know. Alright, this is the next side for one of the stand, you know what I mean? So it's all about time to put on the foot them. After put on the foot, you want to me have some nail in a pan, yeah? You don't know. See? Stick around man and you know what's going on, alright? See? Yes, my viewers, just giving you a hint of what is going on here. Yeah, one of the bench is almost finished. Just need to put on the top on it, you know. So these are the trays. So this is the way the trays is gonna sit on it. Alright, with all the seedlings inside. Yeah. So there's a lot of tray on this one bench here. Don't watch my lapses, man. My lapses is just my collapse words. You know what I mean? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Almost 16, 17 tray. Tray is gonna wall on it. Very tall, don't it? So I'm gonna put this on one side, the 16 length of the nursery. One more like this is gonna be on the other side, 16 length same way. And down into the back here, I'm gonna put a next table crossway here. Yeah, add on a table from this one to this one here inside the nursery. So in the middle now, we're gonna have all those space in the middle. So we're gonna figure out if we need to put some more into the middle, all right? That it's how it's going to work in the nursery. Okay, my viewers? Yeah, man. It's all about farming. Jamaican Farmers Hut. And don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out, alright? Yeah, man. The breadfruit. Ready to make the breadfruit punch, alright? Yes, my viewers. Manners. Yes, I. See it there? Yeah, man. Floor off the thing, you know. Floor off the stand, you know what I mean? Yeah. So you don't know. Have some more board here. Do some more work, you know what I mean? Yeah, make the next one just like this. Yeah? Real, man. Yes, my viewers. Give you a look what they go on. So, the tray can put anywhere. The tray can put this way, 2 hole here, so. And the next one here. So 2 gonna hold here. And if you want to set it at this end, you can set it that way. Where 2 holes same way at the same location. So yes, my viewers. One of the stand ready. So me have 1 to go. So me have some material left. So do some more cutting, some more chopping, some more knocking, and then 1 more stand up. Alright? Stick around. Stick and stay. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, giving you a next update on the pumpkin. As you can see, we get some rain recently. You noticed in the last video, all right, we have a lot of running here. Yeah. And as you can see, we have a lot of running. See, we have a lot of running. Pumpkin is running all over the globe. Look here. Yeah. We have a lot of running. We have a lot of running of pumpkin, as you can see, my viewers. Yeah. This is the reason why I said plant something. What I love to see when it comes to pumpkin, I love to see the look of these leaf here. You see that white spot, whole white spot on the leaf them? Yeah man, me love to see that. Seeing, yeah. Pumpkin running. Pumpkin running. Pumpkin running. Pumpkin running. Yeah, we get some rain yesterday also. And trust me, it is lovely. Yeah? Pumpkin. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. This is what we mean when we say plant something. Plant something. You know? Plant something, man. Don't just sit around like that. Plant something. Plant anything. Go to the farm store and get some seeds. Yeah. Doesn't matter what you want to get. Just get some seeds and plant them. You know what I mean? As you can see, we have. Yeah. We have some pollinate. Some pollen. We have some pollen going on here. Alright. As you can see, this blossom is the tall blossom. This is the male blossom. Alright. So you don't know you can pollen your own pumpkin. You take the pollen out of this one and pollinate the shorter one. That is the female blossom. Yeah. So this is what the bird does, you know. This is what the bird does to the pumpkin. If the bird don't come and pollinate the pumpkin, you know, the pumpkin now stay on, you know, it will drop off. But the bird still doesn't know that he is doing a great job. He is just looking something to eat. So when he go inside here and he leave from this one and he go to the female one, that is how he get the female ready for producing a pumpkin. You know what I mean? If the bird does not go on it, the pumpkin drop off. Alright? So you yourself can pollinate your own pumpkin. Yeah, just take the pollen from the male, put into the female one, and that's it. Yeah? That's how the pumpkin keep on the vine. Look on this one here. Look how far it run to. Go far it run to. Yeah. Yeah. This is how far it run to. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. It's all about pumpkin. Yeah. So, give it a month. After a month, you will see a lot of pumpkin inside here. Yeah? A lot of pumpkin you will see inside here, my viewers. Yeah, man. Trust me. No lie. It's all about farm. Okay, my viewers. As you can see, you don't know. Most plants don't bear underneath of a tree. This is a big wango tree. As you can see, I'm going to give you a wider view angle to let you see. But underneath here, we give them plenty water. Because through them underneath the shade, we give them plenty water. As you can see. But trust me, them still running, you know? Yeah? Looking very healthy same way. Alright? Yeah? Looking very healthy. Looking very healthy same way. Yeah. Because we give them extra water. These one underneath the shade here, we give them extra water. Yeah? Extra water. We give them extra water because we know them underneath the shade. Alright? Yeah, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. And as you can see, most of the hole doesn't catch. Most of them doesn't catch. You know what I mean? I'm gonna give you a view, a far view to show you the size of the tree that I'm telling you about. The guango tree, it is very big. So going back out here to give you a wider view, wider angle on that tree. But as you can see here, we have some pumpkin here also. Yeah. And on the sideline here we have pine. Pine. Right along. Right along. Right along. We have pine. Yeah. Right up the line we have pine. Yeah man. It's all about Jamaican farmers. Don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. This is the guango tree, my viewers. The guango tree. You see how big it is? Yes. So the pumpkin underneath that tree, we give them more water that they can survive underneath the shade. All right. Look on this one here. Look on this one here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Plant something. Once you plant it, it will grow. You know what I mean? Yeah? Yeah, man. It's all about farming. So as you can see, the grass through the pumpkin here is dried up because the grass them have been sprayed. Yeah? Go through and spray the grass them through and through the pumpkin. Yeah? Keep them on a low. That's when the pumpkin started to bear. We don't have a lot of grass in it. Alright, my viewers and my subscribers, that is update on the pumpkin. Alright? Yeah, man. Update on the pumpkin. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, stick around. See what's coming next. Alright, my viewers, going to show you a pumpkin at this time. It is one root of pumpkin here. As you can see, I'm going to show you all crevice and corn of this pumpkin here. One root of pumpkin here. And as you can see, you notice, it only have two leaves that look like it is pumpkin. But notice all the other leaves. They are in different form. What is going on with this pumpkin? Even the vine look different. What is going on with this pumpkin here? Look on the end of the vine here. Very different, and it have one blossom on it. Yeah, one blossom. I don't know why this pumpkin look like this. Yeah, there's a bees looking for pollen. All right, the bees inside here looking for pollen. Yeah, my viewers, it's all about Jamaican farmers nut. Stick and stay. Each time I try to cut the board, doesn't matter how straight I try to cut it, once it is open, it is bent. You know what I mean? But trust me, yeah. Yes, my viewers, when me dey work, you know, me just search the whole place because I have to find fruit, you know what I mean? Me's a fruit guy. So what I say, seeing Jamaican apple. The only way out, if I can't find fruit, I have to find two jelly. So I say, me way up on one hill. See where down yonder there, where I come from. Way up on one hill. I go up on Cockburn Pen Hill here. Yeah, my viewers, stick around. I reach near one mango tree, you know, I'm going to show you some beautiful mango, alright? Seeing. Yes, my viewers, these are guinea. Yeah, Jamaican guinea. Yeah, tree the blossom. Alright. Watch what's going on now. My favorite, you know. Right now, you know, I search it, you know. I don't want to talk too hard because I search it and I find no ripe one. Like seriously, you know. As some do it, I go a people tree. Yeah, one time mango, you have to go lock me up. I mean, I stop search. I need that. What? Favorite fruit, brother. Yeah, me need to engrave a piece of this limb, you know. Yeah. My God. No, not even turn, boy, me I tell you. Why? You rough enough, smell like all Jazzy the bake. Smell cake, we smell pudding, brother. You bake. Was. Yes, my viewers. Yeah, man. Mango them look nice. Yeah. Alright, stick around. Soon show them some more they go on. See? Can't get no mango, so I have to turn to apple. Jamaican apple. See? Watch it. Watch it. The right time mango tree, but none no right. None no right, brother. So I have to just give up, you know. Go and eat 2 mango. Go and eat 2 apple, 2 apple. Alright, my people. Stick around. Yes, my viewers, me I show you some pretty mango. See how them pretty look on them one here. Look like them ripe, then young, you know, them just start to grow. Alright. You see when me pass through and me see look at this one here. Beautiful, don't it? When me pass through and me see a mango like this. See what me do here? Yeah, put a little tag on one of the branches. Yeah, so you don't know it's all about plastic and dirt. If me have a little rooting powder or a little 2020, touch it inside like that, it grow more faster. Take off all the leaves and cut off some of the limb. That's it, don't have any pressure on it to dry any, you know. That's the root can come out very quickly. Soon as this catch couple of months time, I can cut it off here, plant it into a pan, a container or something, or into the soil. Ready to bear, you know? Right away to bear, my people. Alright, so the Jamaican farmers are the only place you can learn things like these, alright?